Congratulations on the purchase of your new CRAM-A-LOT vertical baler. Adhering to the following guidelines will ensure safe, trouble-free operation for many years of service. All CRAM-A-LOT vertical balers are designed to meet or exceed ANSI safety standards. By following the operational and safety procedures recommended by JV Manufacturing, you will be able to safely and efficiently operate your baler. All operators of the baler must read and understand the owner's manual before operating the baler. Also, each user must familiarize themselves with the operating instructions listed on the control panel. Please remember these 4 points. Number 1, your baler is to be used for recyclable material only. Number 2, it is unlawful for anyone under the age of 18 to operate this equipment. Number 3, only authorized trained technicians are allowed to work on your equipment. Number 4, never allow work to be done on this equipment without performing the lockout-tagout procedure. For your safety, please view this video in its entirety. Please note that your baler must be installed with sufficient room for proper and safe operation. There must be at least 2 feet of clearance around the sides and back of the baler to allow room to insert the baling wires and tie off the bale. There must be enough clearance in front of the baler to allow the chamber door to swing clear of the chamber so that the finished bale can be safely ejected. Also, be sure that the area in back of the baler is kept completely clean and free of any objects that might interfere with the operation of the baler. Do not install the baler in high-traffic areas. Now let's look at how the baler operates. Remember, by law, only trained employees over the age of 18 are allowed to operate this baler. Before you begin the baling process, open the chamber door and lay a single piece of flattened cardboard across the bottom of the chamber to cover the wire slots. This will keep the slots clear to allow the wire ties to pass through. Close the chamber door and secure the latch. Load the chamber evenly. Do not overfill the chamber, as damage to the loading door may occur. Next, move to the control panel. While we are looking at the control panel, let's discuss the switches and their functions. The mode selector switch has 3 modes of operation: auto, manual down, and manual up. Their functions will be explained throughout this video. The power on switch functions like a car key and must be turned to the far right to start operation. The emergency stop button can be pressed at any time to stop the operation of the baler. The button also serves 2 other functions. For normal operation, the button must be pulled 1 click out. For Bale eject mode, the button must be pulled out and held. The Bale eject procedure will be covered later in the video. Always check that the stop button is pulled out 1 click for normal operation. The mode selector switch light indicates the baler is ready for use. Now let's continue with the baler operation. Insert the key into the start switch and turn to the power on position. The mode selector switch should illuminate. Make sure the stop button is pulled out 1 click. Using both hands, pull down the loading door. Set the mode selector switch to the auto position. Check that the chamber door is latched securely. Now, turn the start key to the start position and hold until the platen begins to descend. After the baler starts, remove the key. The baler will complete 1 cycle. Notice that the platen extends and retracts and the loading door automatically opens. Please note that the red emergency stop button can be depressed at any time to stop the operation of the baler. To resume operation, reset the stop button, close the loading door, and turn the start switch. Notice that the platen will dwell in the down position longer if you start the baler in mid-stroke. Continue loading and cycling until a full bale is made. You will know you have made a full bale when the 100% mark on the full bale indicator scale aligns with the fixed arrow on the baler at full compression. Now we are ready to tie the bale. Place a full sheet of cardboard over the compressed material. This will keep the slots clear to allow the wire ties to pass through. Pull down the loading door. Set the mode selector switch to the manual down position. Turn the start key to the start position and hold until the platen begins to descend. Allow the platen to travel down and compress the material until movement stops. At this point, you may press the stop button or allow the motor to stop automatically. After the motor stops and the loading door opens, remove the key. Clear the area in front of the baler to prepare to eject the bale. Clear all personnel from around the baler before you begin this procedure. Open the chamber door. Clear the area behind the baler to prepare to insert the bale ties. Insert the bale ties loop end first into the slots in the front of the bale chamber floor. Refer to the owner's manual for specific bale tie sizing and applications. The bale ties are to be inserted from the front to the back. Push the wire through the slot until it just clears the back of the baler. Clear all personnel from the front of the baler. Move to the back of the machine and insert the ties back through the bale chamber using the corresponding slots located in the rear of the platen. Now, both ends of each bale tie should be at the front of the baler. Tie the bale by inserting the straight end of the wire through the looped end. Pull any slack out of the wire and twist to secure. Repeat for all bale ties. You are now ready to eject the bale. Clear all personnel from the front of the baler. Remember, never try to eject the bale with the loading door or the chamber door closed. Doing so could result in personal injury or damage to the baler. To eject the bale, first push the bale dump handle into the eject position. This handle is located at the front of the platen. Now set the mode selector switch to the manual up position. For easier bale handling, you can place a pallet in front of the baler. Insert the key into the start switch and turn to the power on position. Make sure the stop button is one click out. Turn the start key to the start position. The motor will start, but the platen will remain still. To begin ejecting the bale, pull and hold the raise button. The platen will raise and the bale will begin to rotate out of the baler. The button can be released at any time to stop movement of the platen. If the motor stops, simply restart the baler with the key switch and continue ejecting the bale. Remove the bale from in front of the baler. Remove the key from the baler. With a broom, clean all loose material from inside the chamber. Never enter chamber area without following proper lockout, tagout procedures. Close and latch the chamber door. Insert the key into the start switch and turn to the power on position. Make sure the stop button is one click out. The mode selector switch should illuminate. Using both hands, pull down the loading door. Set the mode selector switch to the auto position. Check that the chamber door is latched securely. Now, turn the start key to the start position and hold until the platen begins to descend. You will hear a click as the bale dump handle automatically resets to the normal operating position. The platen will shift and retract and the loading door will open. You are now ready to make a new bale. Please follow the maintenance program outlined in the owner's manual to ensure and extend the trouble-free operation of the baler. If you have any questions regarding the operation or service of the baler, please contact our customer support department as listed in the owner's manual. Thank you. As a final note, please keep in mind that the baler is designed only to bale recyclable materials such as corrugated and shrink wrap. In order to maximize the value of the bale, keep these materials separated and bale only like materials. Do not bale chipboard or boxboard, strapping or packing material, styrofoam, wax-coated corrugate, mail or books, newspapers or magazines. Do not bale floor sweep, food scraps, garbage, metal or wood. All these items will contaminate the bale. Remember, recycling reduces waste, saves energy, and conserves resources. CRAM-A-LOT, equipping the world for a better environment for over 25 years.